Understanding the Simulation Process, a guide to English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a concept that you might come across in various fields such as technology, education, and even everyday life. It's called the simulation process. By the end of this video, you'll understand what this term means and how it's used in different contexts. So, let's get started. A simulation process refers to the method of creating a model of a real-world situation or system to study its behavior and characteristics without the need to engage with the actual system. This model can be anything from a simple diagram to a complex computer program. The key point here is that it's a representation, not the real thing, but it's detailed enough to provide valuable insights into how the real thing operates. Simulation plays a crucial role in various sectors for several reasons. Firstly, it allows researchers, engineers, and educators to experiment with systems in a controlled environment. For instance, in engineering, simulations can test the strength of a bridge design under different conditions before it's built. In education, it can help students understand complex concepts by interacting with a model that behaves like the real system. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at a few examples. Flight simulators, used in pilot training. These sophisticated computer programs simulate the experience of flying an airplane, allowing pilots to practice without the risks associated with real flights. Weather forecasting models. Meteorologists use simulations to predict weather patterns by inputting current weather data into models that simulate the Earth's atmosphere. Business models. Companies simulate market conditions to strategize their operations, marketing, and product development, thereby making informed decisions based on hypothetical scenarios. Creating a simulation involves several key steps. 1. Defining the system or situation to be simulated, including its boundaries and the aspects that will be included in the model. 2. Developing the model, which could involve mathematical formulas, computer code, or physical replicas. 3. Running the simulation by applying different variables or conditions to observe outcomes. 4. Analyzing the results to gain insights, validate theories, or make decisions. We hope this video has shed some light on what the simulation process is and why it's such a valuable tool in various fields. Whether it's training pilots, predicting weather, or planning business strategies, simulation provides a safe and efficient way to explore possibilities and make better decisions. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.